What is up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to attempt something that every beauty blogger has done in some form or another on YouTube and Instagram. Today we're going to do something that is now way overplayed, but I felt as a makeup enthusiast I should probably attempt this. We're going to do it. Today we are going to attempt the sunset eye. Excuse me. I know, it's probably a bad idea. It's something everyone has done already, but if I don't do it now, I'll regret it for the rest of my life. So we're gonna do it, guys. We're gonna do a big ol' dramatic as fuck sunset eye. I decided to test this eye once already for a staff party. I've had one crack at it so far. It went okay. I wanted to do it once before I filmed it because it's, it's tricky. It's a lot of layers, it's a lot of color, it's a lot of blending. I wanted to do it to the best, to the best of my ability. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to do this to the best of our ability, which is not saying much, but we'll make it work. We'll make it work. So you have to witness me do this. I'm sorry. I'm going to try really hard to stay in frame today, folks. It's a struggle. It's a journey. When you don't have a monitor, you have to make do with, well, if you could see my setup, you would laugh. Let's just dive right on in. This intro is already too long. Let's get started. We are going to lay down our crease shade using the Jaclyn Hill palette. We are going to go in with the shade Creamsicle, the mustardy yellow in the palette. Pack this into the crease. It's really powdery, has a shit ton of kickback, and isn't the most pigmented shade in this palette, but that is okay. It's totally usable. But it does get absolutely everywhere. You can see where it's getting all over my face and how kind of diffused and not really patchy. It's fine, but it's just not giving me the color payoff I wanted initially for this look. So I'm just layering the shit out of it and more pressing it into the lid as opposed to swiping left and right. Moving on, we are going to take our Modern Renaissance palette. We're taking the shade Realgar or Relgar, and just as you suspected, creating a gradient. I'm trying not to go too high up because then you just end up hiding all of the yellow that you laid down before. So today we're going to try a half cut crease, which I don't know, I think might look a bit more unique or fun. It might look like shit. Let's find out together. So for the red portion of this gradient, I'm going to use the Sephora Colorful Single Shadows in Red Carpet. And last time I tried using more of a maroon burgundy, and it kind of just made everything look a little muddy. So we'll see how this works. You can always go back and forth because that's what blending is all about. Now I think that we've got a good transition to go into that more maroon / burgundy shade that transitions us into purple. So for that I'm going to use Love Letter in the Modern Renaissance palette. It's pretty vibrant, but it wasn't quite enough vibrancy for a transition from orange into this darker red. I'm just going to pick that up on the same brush. Could be where it all goes horribly wrong. Okay, don't want to jinx it. I think we're doing good. Never be afraid to go back and reinforce all the other colors. Like I said, I know I keep saying that, it's true. So going even deeper into a purple using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, but it does have a really pretty purple shade, which is right there. Taking more of a flat packing brush as opposed to a blending brush, which is what we've been using so far. Trying to get the most pigment out of the purple by packing it onto the lid. We have nearly made it all the way through this eye without screwing up yet. Next step is we're gonna cut the crease. And it's not my favorite thing to do. For this, I'm going to use a flat liner brush, take some concealer, say a little prayer, and just do it. gonna fuck with that. Anyone who says doing a cut crease is easy for them are liars. They are dirty, dirty liars, and you should not listen to them. End of story. Now we can go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and pick up some fun metallic shades, which are the shades that I, up to this point, haven't used in this palette. We are going to foil the shade Royalty all over the lid. And to further intensify that metallic shade, we are going to use Twerk on the inner third of the lid. And I just got super embarrassed by being forced to say the word twerk. Great. Using the other side of the packing brush because I can't be bothered to get another one. Not quite doing the thing I want it to do. I think the last thing I'm going to do to finish everything off is put in a bit of inner corner highlight using my ABH Moonchild Glow Kit and using a mixture of Blue Ice and Purple Horseshoe. Let's reinforce that outer corner a teensy bit with that purple shade called Delectable. All I've left to do off camera is the lower lash line, which will just be all the shades we used on the lid, a wing liner, mascara, lashes, and I will be back for the rest of the face. Guys, wait, look at that. That's bonkers. Whew, the eyeliner is rough today. She is thick and she is rough. Shout out to a new player on the team. It's the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner, you know, who tried to help me salvage this look, maybe by doing a little bit of a graphic liner. You know, we tried, and that's what really counts. That's what counts. Anyway, I decided fuck lashes, so let's move on. Nose. Oh my god, itchy nose. Starting off the highlight with this purple shade. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Let's top it off with Master Chrome because I miss it. Just a couple of freckles. Just like one or two. And as always, I am in a mad dash out the door. This is the completed look, guys. I hope you guys had fun watching me fumble blindly through a makeup tutorial. I hope you had fun watching this video today. It was a bit of a journey, but it's the destination, not the journey. Wait. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I know I enjoyed making it, sort of. If you like what you see, please hit the like button. I know that helps me out a lot. If you do enjoy watching me fumble through some makeup, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you would like to see anything from me specifically, any challenges you would like me to do, please comment down below. I will be sure to get to those comments because I don't get that many, so any notification I'm going to check immediately. I gotta run, but thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will hopefully catch you on the next one. Please be kind to each other, be good, be generous. I'll see you later. Bye.